Good morning, grade 2s, and welcome back to another week of maths. So as you can see on the screen, this week we're going to be learning a little bit more about graphs, and I'm going to be showing you an example so that then you can use your worksheet to be able to do some more examples on them. All right, grade 2, so the graph that we're looking at first, you can see it says it's a pictograph showing children's favorite kind of fruit. You can see there that the children had to choose between apples, pears, grapes, and bananas. And you can see there that each little smiley face there means one child that chose that fruit. So if we look at the first question there, it says which fruit was the most popular. Popular means which one did the most children like. And when we look at the graph, we can see clearly that there are the most number of children that chose apples. So we can say that apples are the most popular fruit. There are 10 apples in comparison to all the other fruits which have less votes. Right, moving on to question 2. The question says, how many more children liked pears than bananas? And show a number sentence. So remember, when we're showing a number sentence, we need to show our working out there. So you need to look at how many children liked pears. 7 children liked pears, and only 6 children chose bananas. And they want to know how many more children liked pears. So you're going to work out your number sentence, and you need to be able to give me an answer of how many more children liked pears than bananas. So I hope that your number sentence looked the same as mine there, that 7 minus 6 equals 1. Right, I hope that your number sentence there looked the same as mine. 7 minus 6 equals 1. So that means that one more child chose pears than bananas as their favorite fruit. Moving on to question number 3, it says which fruit was the least favorite? So which was the least favorite fruit? Least favorite means the one that the fewest amount of children chose. So if you look there, it is obviously the grapes, and you can see that only 2 children liked the grapes. So when we go to the next slide now, you'll see that I just wrote grapes is the least favorite. And there we go. There's our answer. Grapes are the least favorite. The next question just says, how many children chose this fruit? And there we go. There's our answer. Grapes are the least favorite. Right, and for the last question, they want to know how many children voted altogether, and they want to see a number sentence from you. Now, you know by now that altogether means an addition sum, and they want to know how many children voted altogether. So you need to add all the smiley faces together to make an answer to get the total of how many children voted for their favorite fruits. So you're going to add each smiley face, and you're going to say the number of children who chose apples, the number of children who chose pears, plus the number of children who chose grapes, plus the number of children who chose bananas, and you'll add them all together and you'll get an answer. Right, and hopefully your answer looks like mine, where I said 10 plus 7 plus 2 plus 6, and my answer there was 25. So 25 children voted all together. When you write this for an assessment, you need to make sure that you answer with your number sentence, because some of your marks are allocated on your number sentence and some are allocated on your answer. And if you only write the answer, then you miss out on some of your marks. Right, so at the end of your pack of work, you've got a few examples of graphs to do, and I hope that this little video helped you through them.